Hey guys, welcome to my channel Wow Crafty. Today I'm going to show you drafting and cutting of boat neck kurti. Without wasting your time, let's begin. Here I used for this project 2.5 meters of cotton fabric. I double folded the 2.5 meters cloth. Here we have 1.25 to here. We are going to use for the body and hands. And from here to here we are going to use this fabric for the bottom part. The body part, take 17 inches length fabric and fold it. The length of the body is 16 inches. Add 1 inch to it and take 17 inches length. Now mark the shoulder. Shoulder is 16 inches. Half of the 16 is 8 inches. Put as it is. And then similarly mark the armhole down. Armhole length is 16 inches. Put half of the armhole length is 8 inches and mark armhole down as 8 inches. Draw a straight line like this. Put half an inch to 0.75 inch cross line like this for the back armhole. Now mark the chest line. Chest round is 37 inches. Fourth part of the chest round is 9.25 inches. Add half an inch to 0.75 inch to it and mark it 10 inches. Now mark the shoulder width. Here I kept the shoulder width as 3.5 inches from armhole to the neckline. Measure the shoulder width as fourth part of the shoulder is 4 inches and minus 0.5 inches to it is 3.5 inches. Now mark the front neck deep. Here I kept the 4 inches. More than the 4 inches should not put for the boat neck dresses or blouses. Calculate the 10th part of the chest is to 2 inches extra for the sieving allowance and join these points. With the help of the French curve scale, draw the armhole curve by joining the armhole midpoint and the chest point. After completing the drafting of the body part, now cut the back markings first, as front part, armhole and neck was deep. Take the another piece of cloth and fold it of 15 inches length. I kept 14 inches hands length. Add 1 inch for the margin and put 15 inches hands length. From the shoulder to the down, mark 3.5 inches. You can take here the 10th part of the chest. At this point, draw a straight line like this. From this point to the drawn line, draw another slant line of length half of the armhole round, that is 8 inches. At this point, mark the 0.5 to 7.5 inches deeper than the back armhole curve. Now, place the French curve scale like this and draw a shaped curve for the front armhole curve. Using the curve scale, we will get a perfect curves. It will lead to get a perfect outfit. Now, the drafting of the hands part is completed. Now first cut the back part. And then now cut the front armhole curve. I kept the length of the bottom part is 33 inches. After stitching the dress, we'll get the total of 46 inches length. Here, at the waist part of the bottom, we'll get the box pleats. In the stitching video, I'll show you this trendy dress stitching. That's all for today. See you soon in the next video. Bye bye.